Hey gang, welcome. It's time to unbox another Imperfect Produce Box to find out what I'm cooking ugly with. That's right, with Imperfect Produce, you get the stuff that's not cosmetically perfect for the grocery store. And when you mark it #CookingUgly, Imperfect Produce donates 5 pounds of produce to your local food bank. And they're coming to Detroit next. So if you live in the Detroit area, leave me a little code or leave me a comment and I'll give you a little code for $10 off your first box. Let's find out what's in my box. Ooh, this is big. Big old leaf lettuce there. Ooh. Some cilantro, make some cilantro pesto for some pasta. Ooh, 1 tomato, 2 tomato, 3 tomato. Whoop. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 apples. I think there might be another apple in here. Oh, right? Apple? Nope, not an apple. Then we have nectarines. Yum, yum, yum. And we have some yellow squash. A zucchini. So make the zucchini noodles. Cilantro pesto. Dinner. And I got some sweet potatoes. Some come in. Red potatoes. I'm running out of room. And I only got like the smallest box. And I have pears. That is everything in my small box that I customized, because you can customize your box. My boxes never have onions because they trigger my migraines. So, nothing's left in the box. You now have a cat toy. My cat loves sleeping in one of these boxes. I threw a toy in there and then she'll like chase it around. So yeah, free cat toy as well. So that's what's in my Imperfect Produce Box. And until next time, keep cooking ugly. Bye.